Well, let's talk about skunk farms. Now, what we're talking about is a domestically bred skunk facility. In most states, skunks can be considered wildlife no matter if they're domestically bred or not. You never ever take a wild skunk in as a pet and try to work with it or breed it due to the rabies issue and other things. And so you have to check with your local wildlife agency to make sure that skunk breeding or having a skunk is legal in the first place. And if you do, and you can obtain a permit for that, then you have to acquire a domestically bred skunk from another breeder or skunks to start a breeding colony. So you have to have the land to do it, and you also have to have a facility to do it, just like you have to with any other breeding facility, like let's say a dog facility. So you have to have males and females, obviously, usually 1-to-2 ratio in a lot of cases works. And as far as breeding them is concerned, it's pretty self-explanatory. It takes about 60-75 days for female skunks to have their kits after fertilization is begun. And so, but always check with your laws locally first to make sure that you can obtain permits if you're going to do something like that. Another unique thing about skunks in breeding situations is the kits generally are descented when they're really small, sometimes 4 to 6 weeks of age. And so you have to check with a veterinarian that is willing to work with exotics such as skunks in the first place. That is, if it's a legal issue to do.